Christie Brinkley's divorce trial gets underway again today. Will there be more fireworks on the stand? Norman Sheresky is the attorney for Peter Cook. Good morning.
Good morning.
You know, it was a rough week for your client last week. There was testimony from the young woman that he had an affair with. There was testimony about his internet porn habit, pictures that his son discovered. How do you come back and argue that Peter Cook is a good dad?
Well, it's not hard to argue that. I mean, we have 9 or 10 years of Christie Brinkley telling everybody who would listen what a great husband he was. And he was. We have cards and letters from Christie Brinkley telling him what a great husband he was. Articles in virtually every magazine about what a great father he was. I don't think it's going to be very hard to prove the truth. He was a terrific father.
An independent psychiatrist is testifying this week. He spent time with the kids and with both Christie and Peter. Will he say that Peter's a good dad?
Yes, he will and has.
He has. Who does he think the kids should stay with?
Oh, yeah. Pardon me? I think in an ideal world, look, in an ideal world, these children who were brought up by Brinkley and Cook and who were brought up extremely well ought to continue to be brought up by both of them. They were terrific co-parents. Now, what has happened is Christie got real mad, and she doesn't want to co-parent anymore. Even if it means her children don't have two parents, that's okay with her. This is payback time. And it's cruel and it's silly.
You think it's payback? Just so very quickly, I just want to talk briefly about the openness of this trial. Should this trial be open to the public, sir?
Of course not. I don't know any good parent in the world who would invite their children to sit in a courtroom, which figuratively is precisely what Christie Brinkley's done. I don't remember a case, I don't remember a single case in which a parent joined in asking the courtroom to be open. You know, the press wants it open. I could certainly understand that. The court is compelled to keep it open. I can understand that, but for a parent, it's unheard of.
All right, Norman Sheresky, we have to leave it there. Thanks very much.
You're very welcome.
Robert Cohen is the attorney for Christie Brinkley. Good morning to you.
Good morning, Tracy.
I want to talk about this public trial. Your client is the one who wanted it. If she really has the interests of her kids at heart, why drag all of this dirty laundry out into the public?
Divorce cases for decades and decades are open trials. What Peter Cook has wanted to do here was spread rumors and false statements and by innuendo try the case outside of the courtroom and in the media. And frankly, we didn't seek to declare the court open. Courts are open. They are open. All custody cases are open, so that's not an issue. And frankly, it's another smokescreen that is created by Peter Cook.
You heard Mr. Sheresky say that this is payback. Is it? Is Christie angry? Is that what this is about?
Look, every spouse in a situation like this is angry. But the fact is that Peter Cook, since this separation in July of '06, has seen these children as well he should. He's seen them every minute of a court-arranged visitation schedule, and he will continue to see them under a court-arranged schedule. So again, another smokescreen by a man who's acted very, very badly here.
So bottom line, his attorney says he's a good dad. Is he a good dad?
He was a perfectly fine dad.
He was.
But the fact is, he's exercised incredibly bad judgment. The fact is, when people get divorced, children's arrangements with their parents have necessarily to change. And that change means that they live with one parent and the other parent has access. And we're not saying he doesn't have access. We're not saying he shouldn't see the children. All of that is so. He should do all of that. The question is, should they be shuttling back and forth or during the week, should they be at their mom's house as they've been principally for the last 2 years under a court-arranged schedule?
All right. Robert Cohen, we have to leave it there. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much.